Ah, so hot, so hot. Turn on the air conditioner quickly.
Stop! Turning on the air conditioner as soon as you get in the car will kill you. After the car has been exposed to the sun in summer, these interior panels and plastics will emit a lot of formaldehyde. You can't turn on the air conditioner.
But it's so hot that it's impossible not to turn on the air conditioner.
Let me teach you a trick that will make you feel so cool in the car in the summer that you want to wear a cotton padded jacket. First, open the passenger window. Then we open and close the car door back and forth 8 times. This uses the principle of pulling bellows. Make the temperature inside and outside the car consistent quickly. Come, get in the car and give it a try.
It's really much cooler.
Of course.
So what should we do next?
I'll teach you. First, turn on the air conditioner. Adjust the air volume to maximum. Then open the outer loop. Then we lowered all the windows. After 1 minute, let's adjust the air volume to moderate. Open the inner loop. Close all car windows. You can try again this time.
Ah, the wind has chilled my hands.
Of course. How is this knowledge very practical? My name is May. Follow my homepage for more car knowledge. If the car window is open like this, then you are wrong. I tell you today how to open the windows to be cooler than the air conditioner and save fuel. Very simple. First, open the main driver's window halfway and open the diagonally opposite rear window halfway. In this way, the hot air in the car will be discharged quickly. The wind blowing in is very comfortable. Second, when the car smells bad, close one window and open the other 3 windows. This way, the odor will be gone in no time. Third, when someone is smoking in the car, open the window where he is and open a gap 2 fingers wide. In this way, the outside of the car looks like a range hood. The smoke will keep flowing out. Fourth, what should I do if the noise is too loud when I open the window? We can open a window halfway, keep other windows closed, then open the skylight a third. Not only does this make less noise, and the wind blowing in will be soft and comfortable. The last thing to note is that never open just one rear window or lower all windows. People sitting in the car will be very uncomfortable by the wind, and the fuel consumption will get higher. Have you learned it? Follow me. Go to the homepage to learn more about cars.
Hidden functions of cars that 90% of drivers don't know about. When our car key is out of power and cannot open the door. In fact, there is no need to panic. We pop out the mechanical key. There is a small hole just below our door handle. Prying it open reveals a mechanical keyhole. Insert the key and turn it. This way the car door can be opened smoothly. Have you learned it? Follow me to learn more about cars.
Look, did you see this yellow light? This is the engine malfunction light. If this light is on when you go to the repair shop for repairs, how much do you think they're going to cheat you? Find the battery in the engine compartment. The plus sign is the positive pole. The minus sign is the negative pole. Ask Thanos for a wrench. Remove the negative screw. Wait 10 seconds. Then reinstall it. Okay, next tighten the screws. The screws have been tightened. Next, I will start the car. Check to see if the fault light goes out. If the fault light goes out, please remember to light up the little red heart on the right to support me. 3, 2, 1, start up. Look, the fault light went out. The problem has been completely solved. It's really simple, right? Follow me, make a friend who understands cars.